There is a new leader of the South Dakota Supreme Court. Chief Justice Stephen Jensen took over on January 5th. In tonight's Eye on KELOLAND, Kelly Volk sits down with Jensen to find out what he has planned in the new role.
South Dakota Supreme Court Chief Justice Stephen Jensen knew at a young age he wanted a career in law.
So I grew up on a farm. I didn't know any lawyers. Didn't have any lawyers in the family. But it was something I was always attracted to.
Jensen completed his undergrad in Minnesota and then attended law school at the University of South Dakota. After graduation, he worked as a law clerk for the South Dakota Supreme Court before being hired by a law firm. In 2003, then-Governor Mike Rounds appointed him as a circuit judge. In 2017, Jensen received an appointment to the Supreme Court from then-Governor Dennis Daugaard.
Well, obviously it was a thrill, and it's one of those opportunities that you think, wow, what a fantastic opportunity it is.
Now in 2021, he has a new title, Chief Justice. In his first State of the Judiciary earlier this month, Jensen asked the legislature to consider salary raises for judges. Jensen also requested funding for additional clerk positions, particularly in Minnehaha and Lincoln counties.
We've added several judges over the last few years. If you go back over the last probably 10 to 15 years, there have been several judges added, but no additional clerk staff. And so the workload on the clerks, particularly in the Second Circuit, has really increased.
Other requests included funding for targeted raises for some unified judicial system staff. Chief Justice Jensen took over for the state's longest-serving Supreme Court Chief Justice, David Gilbertson. He recently retired.
They're four-year terms, and the fact that the court continued to elect him as chief says a lot about his ability and the belief of the court and his ability to manage the court system.
Jensen says Gilbertson left a lasting mark on the court system. Now a new Chief Justice picks up the baton. Even though Jensen's title has changed, the goal of delivering justice remains the same.
I think that's our job every single day. It's something that we strive to do, and it's something that I think there's always improvements we can continue to make, and so the challenge of that and the challenge to continue to improve as a court system is something that I truly look forward to.
With Eye on KELOLAND, I'm Kelly Volk.
And you can read the Chief Justice's full State of the Judiciary by heading to this story on KELOLAND.com.